Few actors have taken on as many iconic roles over the years as Jason Statham, but one of the star's biggest box office bombs has resurfaced on streaming charts a few years after release. Statham stars alongside Megan Fox and 50 Cent in The Expendables 4, or Expendables, the action thriller currently streaming on Stars. Expendables had, at one point, spent over 200 days atop streaming charts before it left the top 10. But now it's back for another bout, sitting at number 7 at CNN at the time of writing. The Expendables 4 is widely regarded as the biggest financial misfire of Statham's career. The film grossed only $37 million at the box office against a $100 million budget, falling over $150 million short of its break-even point. It earned scores of 14% from critics and 69% from audiences on Rotten Tomatoes. 4 different directors have come on board to helm each Expendables movie. The franchise started under the directorial wings of Sylvester Stallone, who also features in all 4 movies, albeit in a much smaller capacity in Expendables. He then passed off directorial duties to Simon West for the sequel, who also worked with Statham a few years later for Wildcard. Patrick Hughes stepped behind the camera to direct the threequel, which came shortly before he launched the Hitman's Bodyguard action franchise, and Scott Waugh was brought on board to direct Expendables. Waugh is best known for directing Act of Valor and Need for Speed, and he'll team up with Reacher's Alan Ritchson for Runner, an upcoming action movie that recently wrapped filming. Jason Statham's Meg movies, which pit the action hero against a large prehistoric shark, are some of the campiest yet most popular in his filmography. The first film, which was released in 2018, is not currently streaming anywhere, but it is available for rent or purchase on Prime Video. Its sequel, Meg 2, The Trench, can be streamed on HBO Max. There is not currently a third Meg movie in the works, but after the first 2 movies turned in over $900 million combined at the box office, it wouldn't be surprising if another film was announced at some point. Expendables is one of the most popular movies in the world on Stars at the time of writing. Stay tuned to Collider for more streaming updates and coverage of Statham's future projects.